Well, good morning, YouTube. Here in Dago City, Philippines. We're going to the family farm of my fiance girlfriend here. It's going to be about a 30-minute drive to get there, so you guys will get to see the scenery of the farm and the scenery going to the farm. And my friend Tama will guide me through some of the stuff on the farm too. He'll show you guys some of the stuff on the farm too. It's a beautiful day outside. It's just after 9 a.m. Can you see all right?
Ditagil Leo.
As I mentioned before in a video that you guys won't see till I get back to the States, more than likely, they build a lot of the roads here out of concrete because, as you were saying, the asphalt washes away, does not hold up very well in this part of the road because that's typically a lot more expensive material. And you said the farm, I think, is west of town, I think? Is generally west of town, I think?
West. I think it is north.
Oh, north of town. Northwest of town. Look like they gotta finish repaving this side of the road too.
We used to go there at the back of the road.
Back of the road. Many rough roads, oh yeah. Yeah, a lot of the roads like this are just unpaved because it's obviously in many ways cheaper to leave them unpaved than it is to pave them, obviously. Tricycle, a common form of transportation around here.
I forgot to get the fuel. Get the fuel first.
Fuel first. Well, hopefully we can find a spot that has some on the way over there. They look like they're getting ready to fill that in. Soon to open McDonald's Digos. Oh, Assembly of God, is that the family's church?
Yes.
I thought so. I see scrap metal and tires right there. Yeah. Surplus, yeah. I would assume scrapping is probably big in this part of the Well, scrapping is big where I live at too. There's a lot of scrap yards too. I don't know how much on average that they pay here, but in the US, like right now, for the last 2 years or so, the price of scrap is down. It typically fluctuates a lot. The price of the scrap metals. Pulling in to get some fuel here. I guess here the attendants pump the gas here. See, like in the US, like most of the gas stations now are self-serve. Yeah. But is that maybe, do they prefer for them to do it here because of theft, so people don't steal the gas?
Yeah. No, but it is manpower. Because they want to, more people can do jobs.
More do jobs, yeah, absolutely. Yeah, like in the US, kind of where they pump your own gas, that's kind of a dying art in the US. Little gas station right here. Oh, we gotta give that to the attendant. Okay.
Legit? Oh, nagatos lang, 100. 100. Legit? Oh.
Yeah, I'm not surprised to see Shell here, as I mentioned, because that's the biggest oil company in the world. I don't know if they got BPs around in the Philippines or not. Maybe they do, but maybe just not in this region. I'm not positive on that. Yeah, British Petroleum, they're the second biggest oil company in the world.
I think that they're not here.
Oh, they're not? I wonder if they're in other parts of the Philippines, because I see Shell. Now, part of this road is blacktop or asphalt, and the lanes are concrete, I see. Vegas, I guess is how that station is. Vegas or Vegas. Vegas. Yeah, in English it would be like Vegas, like Las Vegas. But here it's Vegas. Then Shell gas station. I've seen a few of these in town. That's the biggest oil company in the world. They've been around since, I guess, the late 1800s. The Dutch company of Shell, they've been around a long, long time. Beautiful day outside. Bigger houses, yeah, I can see that. Look like a few of the nicer houses that are a little bit bigger right here. Going through a school zone right now. And here we're going to be off-road for a little while on a non-paved road, but that's all right. Yeah, sometimes just the cost to pave the road is just so expensive. It's sometimes, see how the bowl is tied up right there. Sometimes it's just cheaper just to leave the road unpaved than it is trying to pave it. And this road right here, it doesn't look like it's that heavily used. Right here, this looks like this is definitely a farm road. It's not a road that's probably used by that many people except for the farmers right through here. See a lot of coconut trees right here. See some really mature coconut trees. These are probably some of the biggest and most mature coconut trees around here. These are every bit of 50 to 80 feet long to 80 feet high. Little goat tied up there. But yeah, this is a really mature track of that's a really mature track of coconut trees. Some other coconut trees here too, not quite as old and mature as the other ones, but still nonetheless. Little puppy right there. Yeah, you aren't kidding when you said this ride is definitely bumpy. It's an old farm road. It's only big enough for one vehicle. You'd have to wait, I guess, to pull over on the side to pass if there was two vehicles. It's and here we're going through a little stretch of where the water has collected. Looks like more rice fields. Banana tree, more banana trees too. First ones I've seen today. I actually got a chance to get some of their locally grown bananas the other day. They're pretty good. There's the water in the rice field right there, and banana trees there too.
That is a private banana area.
Private area.
Private area.
Yeah. Well, they probably try and keep the public away from the farms to keep poachers from stealing the fruit.
It owns only one person.
One person. Definitely get some good scenery on this off-road, this farm road. You definitely see a definitely get some good scenery here. Looks like we may be coming to the end of this road, maybe. Or at least maybe not, we're just coming to a little corner.
This road will not end.
Oh, okay, it won't end, but now we're on the paved. We're on a paved section, but I don't know how long that's gonna last for. Yeah, it looks like we're at the end, but we're going on a different part. How you guys doing? I think we passed this the other day. This looks like this is a new housing development.
This is a
Oh, school.
new one.
New one, yeah, it looks pretty new. I don't know if they've completed it yet, but here we're passing some big banana fields right here.
This is a company banana.
Yeah.
Kapanday.
Yeah.
Kapanday.
So you guys are getting a really good view of some of the banana fields, and these look like they're pretty mature bananas too. Over a little bridge going over the road. Yeah, I definitely like this. Very scenic drive.
It's a back road drive.
Back road drive. Yeah, it's back. It's scenic though. Not used to seeing it, but it's
But when we come back, we just do the main road.
use the main road. Hey, that's fine.
We'll go back.
You actually know what? I'm actually glad we're going this way because I get to see a different part of the country, get to show a different area. This is like, yeah, really big stretch of banana fields right through here. Looks like lots of bananas. This is probably one of the largest banana plots anywhere around here because it looks quite extensive. Little store right here. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it don't look like any of these places have electricity, do they? Or they do? They do. Oh, okay, I see the power lines now. It's kind of hard to see the power lines with all the banana trees. More coconut trees after passing through a really large banana field area. I mean, I tell you, when I get home, I cannot wait to share this, to share all these videos with my YouTube audience. Because, I mean, I've enjoyed my time here, getting a chance to share this part of the road and experience it. trout. Maybe fish right there, maybe. I seen a sign that said trout. I didn't know if there's fish right there or... More rice fields right here along with coconut trees in the background.
80% of this municipality is rice field.
80% of this municipality's rice fields. Yeah, then probably the other 10% is maybe what, banana fields? Because from what it looked like back there, we passed the largest tract of banana fields I've seen anywhere.
That's a part of Adigos banana field.
Digos banana.
This area is a part of the municipality.
Municipality. Yeah, because I know right back there, that was a pretty large stretch of bananas that we have passed. But yeah, it's where they grow the rice at here. That's the most common field, you know, food. I mean, they eat a lot of rice here. I've ate rice every day since I've been here, and I don't mind it. See, the water pools up in these fields right here.
Pas na?
Did somebody fall?
No, I forgot the road.
Oh, you forgot the road. Okay. How much longer do we have to get there? About another 10 minutes?
Yes. And maybe 15 minutes.
15 minutes. I'll start a new one for part 2.